Good morning students. Today we are going to solve remaining problems in exercise 12.3. Second problem. See what is given. Find the area of the shaded region in the given figure. If radii of two concentric circles with center O 7 cm 40 cm. So here we have two concentric circles. One is having 7 cm radius. So smaller circle, inner circle I am taking radius 7 cm. And we have outer circle whose radius is 14 centimeters, and we have angle of sector at the center 40 degrees AOC. Now we are going to find this shaded region. So observe the figure. If you find the area of total sector, you will get total area. From the total sector area, if you remove this smaller sector area, you can get the shaded region area. Okay, right. Now what I am going to do here, in smaller circle, inner circle I am taking here point P, and outer circle here I am taking point Q. Right. Now from the sector OAQC, I will remove the sector area O. I am taking these points as BQ. Okay. OBPQ area. Okay. Now solution. What is given? Given inner circle radius. Inner circle radius I am taking as R1, which is 7 centimeters, and outer circle radius. Outer circle radius I am taking as R2. R2 is 14 centimeters, and angle AOC is given, that is 40 degrees. I wrote the given information in the question. Now I am going to solve. First I will find total sector area, bigger sector area, which is OAQC. Area of sector OAQC equal to, what is the formula? Theta by 360 into pi r square. Right? Theta value is 40 degrees by 360 into pi r square. What is the radius of outer circle? 14. So here 14 into 14. 14 into 14. 0, 0 cancel, 4 9 the 36. So what is the area now here? Pi by 9 into 14 into 14 centimeter square. Now from the figure again I am finding area of sector OBPD, I think OBPD, right, is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Again theta here 40 by 360, pi r 7 into 7, again 40 9 the. Now I need shaded region area. Now therefore shaded region area that is equal to, how to get area of the sector? Area of sector OAQC. From area of the sector OAQC, I will subtract area of sector OBPD. So already we got area of sector, that is here we have the value pi by 9, 14 into 14. Okay. Now OABPD is minus pi by 9, 7 into 7. Right? Now I am taking pi by 9 common. 14 into 14. 14 into 14 minus 7 into 7. Again I am taking pi by 9, keep outside pi by 9. I am taking 7 into 7 common. Here 7 into 7, here 7 into 2, 7 into 2. So I am taking 7 into 7 common. So you will get 2 into 2, 4 minus 1. Pi by 9. 7 into 7 into 3. 3 3s are 9. Right? 3 3s are 9. Now pi by 3 into 7 into 7. So pi value 22 by 7. 7 into 3. 7 into 7. 7 7 cancel. 22 into 7. 7 to the 14. 1 carry 7 to the 14. 154 by 3 centimeter square is the required shaded region area. Required shaded region area. Okay. Right. Now problem number 3. See problem number 3. Let's say find the area of the shaded region in the given figure. If ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeters. And APD and BPC are semicircles. Now see, this is the figure. ABCD is a square whose side is 14 centimeters. Okay, and we have semicircles in this. These are the semicircles. Here point is P. APD, BPC are semicircles. Now we are going to find this shaded region area. See, observe the figure. How to find shaded region area? First you find the square area using the formula for area of the square. Side square, we have the side. Okay, we will get the area of the square. After getting the area of the square, we should find the area of the semicircle, and both are semicircles, so both are having the diameter 14 centimeters. By dividing 14 you will get the radius. After getting the radius, find the area of two semicircles. Subtract the two semicircles area from the square area. Automatically you will get a shaded region area. Right, now I am writing the given information. Given side of square ABCD is 14 centimeters. Now therefore area of the square ABCD is equal to side square. What is the formula for area of square? Side square. What is side? 14. 14 into 14. 14 into 14, how much? 196. So 196 centimeters square. 196 centimeter square. Now I got area of the square. Now I am going to find semicircle area. From the figure we can observe that. We can observe that diameter of each semicircle is equal to 14 centimeters. So diameter 14 centimeters, then radius. So that implies radius is equal to 7 centimeters. Now therefore area of semicircle, APD. I am finding APD, semicircle area. Okay. What is the formula? Actually area of circle pi r square, but we are finding semicircle area no by 2. This is pi is 22 by 7, so 7 into 2, and r value 7 into 7. 7 cancel, 2 11. So this is 77 centimeters square. Therefore area of semicircle, similarly area of semicircle BPC also 77 centimeters square. Now I am going to find area of shaded region. Now therefore area of shaded region, how to find area of square ABCD. From area of square ABCD, subtract semicircle area BPC, minus semicircle area APC. Right? Already we got area of square, that is 196, minus semicircle area for BPC 77, and for semicircle area APC also 77. 196, 77 minus 77, 154. That is equal to, by simplifying you will get 42 centimeters square is the shaded region area, required shaded region area. Okay, right. Now problem number 4. Fourth problem. Problem number 4. Find the area. Find the area of the shaded region. Find the area of the shaded region in the given figure. Where a circle arc, arc of radius 6 centimeters has been drawn with vertex O of an quadrilateral, equilateral, not quadrilateral, equilateral triangle, equilateral triangle OAB, side 12 centimeters, as center. Now this is the question and this is the figure. Here we have equilateral triangle OAB, and with O we have one circle. This is one circle, right? Here radius of circle is 6 centimeters, so up to here 6 centimeters, and side of the equilateral triangle is 12 centimeters. Now we are going to find this shaded region area, this area and this area. right? What I will do, I will join like this circle, that is it. To find shaded region, first I will find the total circle area and I will find the total triangle area. When we are finding circle area and triangle area, by adding circle area, total circle area and total triangle area, this area we are adding twice. So only one time we need this area. So that's why first I will find the circle area and triangle area. I will add them. From that sum, I will subtract one time this sector area. This is the sector, no? Observe the figure, sector area. How to get sector area? If you know the angle at the center. And we know this triangle is equilateral. And in equilateral triangle, every angle is 60 degrees. So, angle is 60 degrees. Angle is not given, but triangle is equilateral triangle. So, we know angle is 60 degrees. Now, we can find the sector area, circle area and triangle area also. Right. Let us write given information. Given that radius of circle R is equal to 6 centimeters. Now here only I will find the area of circle. Therefore area of circle pi r square 22 by 7 into 36 centimeter square. Right? Why? Because R is 6, 6, 6 is 36. This is the area of the circle. Now I will find area of equilateral triangle. What is the formula of area of equilateral triangle? Root 3 by 4 side square. Now area of given, first write given side length of equilateral triangle. Given side length of equilateral triangle OAB is 12 centimeters. Now that implies area of triangle OAB, which is equilateral triangle, no? So root 3 by 4 side square is the formula. Root 3 by 4 side square is the formula. Now in place of side 12, substitute 12. So you will get root 3 by 4 12 square. Right? So we need this area and we need this area, both areas. Right? Now I am going to find sector area. Right? Let me write the values here. What is circle area? Circle area, what we got? 22 into 36 by 7. And triangle area is root 3 by 4 12 square. Okay, right. Now I am going to find sector area. Before sector area, we have to find the angle. What is the angle? We know that in triangle OAB, each interior angle is 60 degrees. Why? Because it is equilateral triangle. Now that implies angle AOB is 60 degrees. Now I am going to find sector area. Let me take point P here. Right? And here CD. I am taking this to represent the sector. I am taking the point CDP. Right? Now area of sector OCPD equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta is 60 degrees by 360 by 22 by 7. R square, what is the radius? 6 square. 6 cancel. So 22 into 6 by 7 centimeter square. Now I need this shaded region. So by adding these two areas, subtract this. Automatically you will get shaded region area. Therefore area of shaded region equal to area of circle area of circle plus area of triangle OAB minus area of sector area of circle. What we got? 22 into 36 by 7 plus area of OAB root 3 by 4 12 square minus area of sector 22 by 7 into 6, right? Now I am going to simplify this. From these two terms I am taking to 22 by 7 common. Then here you will get 36 and here you will get 6 plus here root 3 by 4 12 square 144 22 by 7 30 plus here 2 to the 2 7 the 2 to the right to root 3 into 72 by 2 by taking LCM 14 is LCM 44 into 30 plus root 3 into 72 into 7. So 44 into 30, 44 0 0, 44 3 is 3 4 the 12, 1 carry 3 4 the 12, 1 3 2 0 plus 7 2 the 14, 1 carry 7 7 the 49, 50 root 3 by 14 centimeters square. This is the required shaded region area. Okay, right.